Hello, fellow Earthers, and welcome back. I'm Vex, doing something special today. It's been no secret here at Earth One Reacts that I'm looking forward to Superman. And today, got something a little special in today. We've got the Deluxe Superman and Krypto Multiverse from the McFarlane Toys, their Multiverse line. This is the Deluxe. I ordered this from Best Buy a little while ago, pre-ordered. We're gonna do a little unboxing today, I think. So if you like that kind of thing, maybe give a like and subscribe, and I'll try to do more of these kinds of things. So this guy, this looks like it has 3 heads, a Krypto, a Superman. I've got some tape here. Get the scissors. Should probably be doing this with a box knife, but I don't have that. Now, this cape, or this version, has the fabric cape. I know the normal regular version has like the plastic cape or whatever, but this is the Deluxe. As far as I know, it's the only version that comes with that cape. Let me get closer here. So here we are out of the box. Of course, we got the normal wraps to go through here. I do like the fortress design in the background. It's a little hard to tell on the camera, but it is the crystals or ice. Ooh, look at this nice card it came with. Card and a base. Let's just tear this guy right out of here. Didn't do a very good job on that, no. That's a nice card. Reminds me of the old X-Men collectible cards that I used to get back in the day. Krypto there. Bit of a zoom in. It's got some information on the back. It's going to be too small for anybody to read, I'm sure, but this little collectible card and the base on there. Not going to worry about that right now. Oh, yeah. Those scissors back. I just hate these things. I'm going to start with the Krypto here, get him out first. Oh, look at this cute little guy. Look at him. With his little ear cropped up. He's a cutie. He has the a fabric cape too, with the S on it. I'm so glad they brought the S back. He's a cute little guy. Happy to see Superman. Now let's pull out Superman. Oh, I missed one of the clips. Okay, there it is. looks like he's got some good articulation to him. Got his toes. His ankle there. His toes. Knee. That's all good. A little stiff, but it'll loosen up. Knee in 2 parts, that's good. This is the McFarlane, so we know it's pretty decent quality. I'm going to turn the line up a little more so I can see better. His head mold's pretty good. It's better than the version I saw at the toy store or at Target yesterday when I was in there hunting for stuff. The fabric cape is very nice. It has the wire to do some bendies, so figure out some cool ways to do that. We got the S here. You can't see the head mold very well, but it's a pretty good looking mold. Got a bendy here, a little bit of a bend there, but not much. Overall, I think it's a pretty solid piece. You know, it's just your normal McFarlane. It does come with a couple of alternate faces and hands. Looks like his hands spread out for flying. Oh, they're not heads, they're just faces. So just the face pops off, and it's just a creepy little face there. This one's with the red eyes. Can't see it very well. The other two faces don't really look different, I don't think, but there must be something different to them. Yeah, like I said, overall it's a pretty good looking piece. Get it out and try to take some shots of it. Some posing. It's got the S on the back. It's printed a little crooked, but that's okay, I guess. Yeah. Well, yeah, that's just a quick little unboxing of the McFarlane Toys Superman Deluxe and Krypto. Got your Krypto here. It'd be like, you know, just a good little time. All right, well, you guys have a good day. If you like this, give us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you later. Bye.